Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to generate a PDF417 barcode online and for free in 2026. Sometimes, you may need to generate this type of barcode. So, let's see how to generate it. Go to your browser and open this link. Click the settings icon to select the image format. Here, you can check and adjust many settings. Copy the code information and paste it here. Click refresh to generate the barcode. As you can see, the barcode has been generated successfully. Click download. That's it. Enjoy! I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.